English grammar, simple future and future continuous tense. We use the simple future tense to talk about things that will happen at a time later than now. Basically, in order to talk about event that we expect will take place in the future, we use will to make this tense. We can also use shall, but it is of less intensity than will. The formula for simple future tense is subject plus will plus verb first form. Example: hold on, I will get a pen. I will pick you up at 8 p.m. I will be ready. For negative sentences, in the future simple tense, we insert not between the auxiliary verb and main verb. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and auxiliary verb. Here is a table of subject, auxiliary verb and main verb with the sentences. Let us see some statement sentences or positive sentences. I will open the door. You will finish before me. Negative sentence: she will not be at school tomorrow. We will not leave yet. Question sentence: will you or will they arrive on time? The future simple tense is used to express a general intention. For example, he will change job. He will help you later. I will help you later. We also use simple future tense for predictions. For example, the horse will not win. Now we come to future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to show an action that will be in progress at a particular moment in future. Future continuous tense is also known as future progressive tense. There are two patterns of making a future continuous tense. Subject plus will be plus verb present participle with ing. Another: subject be going to plus be plus verb in the present participle plus ing. Action that will be happening at a certain time in future. This is what we mean by future progressive tense or future continuous tense. Using will: I will be sleeping at 10 p.m. Riza will be studying by this time tomorrow. Aunt Lisa will be visiting. Using be going: I am going to be sleeping at 10 p.m. Riza is going to be studying by this time tomorrow. Used to refer to action which will be interrupted by another action in future. We also use future continuous to refer to an action that will be interrupted by another action in future. And here we are now going to use will. Mom will be resting when I arrive later. You can see here in this sentence, mom will be resting, the first part, and interrupted by when I will arrive later. It will be raining when we leave. Be going to: mom is going to be resting when I arrive later. It is going to be raining when we leave. Let us see the negative sentence. Subject plus will not plus verb in the present participle. Next, how can we make in another way? subject plus am is are, not plus going to plus be plus verb in the present participle. Example, he will not be graduating next year. Another example, he is not going to be graduating next year. Question sentence. How to form a question sentence in present continuous? Will plus subject plus be plus verb in present participle. Also, we can do it the other way using am, is, are plus subject plus going to plus be plus verb in the present participle. Example, will he be graduating next year? Is he going to be graduating next year? Okay, children, now we have done with this, and I hope you have understood how to form future tense and future continuous tense. Thank you.